Very, very happy. Yeah, today is is one of the historical days in my life. I don't even know what to say. Yeah, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Start recording, start a YouTube journey with phone, just with this Android phone. Yeah, I started my YouTube journey with it. And this guy being out there, yeah, promised me that, yeah, oh yeah, brother Sharif, yeah, I'm going to help you. Yeah, surely I'm going to help you. Okay, I see into that you got a passion, yeah, you got a mindset. So I'm going to help you. I don't believe it. Yeah, when you told me initially, I don't really believe it. So I kept, I kept mute, and then I couldn't say anything. Okay, out of sudden, this fellow was coming down. He called me, man, I buy a GoPro. So here is your GoPro. He showed me on camera. I saw you on camera. Okay, I've been with him there for the past 1 month plus. Okay, so when Duke was coming down, the fellow who brought this material was coming down, Duke. He is Duke 1. But normally, his full name is Anzu Dukle. We've been friends since 2004. We've been friends since 2004. We both were in the camp together during the refugee life in Guinea. We were there. Okay, when UNHCR brought this opportunity for refugees to travel out, how he got it. He was fortunate to travel along with some other Liberians out there. Okay, and then normally if you're coming down to Liberia and you call me, oh brother, yeah, how's your end? I said, I'm fine. Yeah, how's life with you? Life is moving on, normal. Because here in Africa, in Liberia today, health comes first. Yeah, when you are healthy, without anything, just tell God thank you. But however, let's get back to where we are. Yeah, let's just get back to where we are. This is a GoPro. I have no idea. Yeah, this is my GoPro. I have no idea. There's no idea. I don't even know where to start from. Okay, so let me see what in here. Okay, I think I can tear the plastic somewhere here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I can tear the plastic somewhere here. Okay, you get what's up there, yeah? You get what's up there? See. They got see it in good. Yeah. All right, guys. I need to use blade to get rid of this thing. First time using GoPro, and around me here, I have not seen this camera with nobody in Monrovia here. Yeah, they got some other YouTubers here that create content all along, but they and we are not friends, so I gotta be careful when I'm tearing this. I gotta be careful because if I'm not careful, I'll tear along with the bag, and I don't want for the bag to be teared. Okay. What? You know what I mean? To have this camera? I don't just believe having this camera. I don't just believe up to now. Yeah, I don't still believe it is me. I'm using this blade, so I gotta be very careful. Yeah, to open this. The plastic it was in. Yeah, the guy in did work. He wrapped it in this plastic for safety. I need to put this one somewhere here. I'm going to put this one down here first. Wow. Can you see? So it means that all of these photos here contain in these bags. Wow. So this bag contains all of these photos. 50-in-1 accessory case for sport action camera. 50-in-1 accessory kit, you can see, for sports action cameras. So I have this. Oh God. Oh yes, it's very nice. Wow. So I can carry it like this if I want to. So it means that I can carry it like this if I want to. All right. I'm a lot of mean. Sit, guys. What? We. I don't even know where to start from. Yeah, honestly, I've not used this camera before. To be very sincere, so I don't even know where to start from. You know, because very small, very tiny. Yeah, very small. Can you imagine? I've not used this camera before. Let me be very honest with you guys. This is GoPro 12. Yeah. So, and according to my boy who sent this to me, he said this is as compared to iPhone 15 Pro Max. But I don't even know how to put it on. Yeah, how to do my recording. I don't know. I don't just know. So I need somebody to really help me. Yeah, through the comment, then I can follow that. So I'll be able to use my GoPro. I have no idea. Let me be very honest. I have no idea. Okay, I'm seeing all of this stuff right before me here. I don't know what they are for. I'm seeing this. Yeah. Let me see. One. This is a GoPro SF. Okay. This one too. I'm seeing this. I don't know what this one is for. I'm seeing this. And plenty of materials. I'm seeing all of this stuff in here. Many items on it. Yeah, many materials attached. I'm seeing this also. Yeah, as you can see, all of this stuff. I don't know what they are for, really. But this doubt me a lot. Because this thing have, you see, almost 3. And this is 4. I don't even know their name. Yeah, this is 4. No, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 3 also. No, 3. Well, somebody's calling. Yeah, hello? Yeah, tomate. Ah. Makron ni sukuro ni miti ni bani kana ba? Ni sukuro ni kudura ran bani kana ba? Yeah, okay. Guys, I don't even know. Yeah, I need help. I really need help. All of this stuff in here, I don't know what they are for, as you can see. See, this one. Yeah. And this one too look like See, I don't know. It looks like crocodile mouth. So I don't really know. Yeah. Okay, I believe this is the battery for it. This is the battery for this camera. Yeah, this is the battery for it. Okay, the SanDisk. This is a SanDisk. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't really understand. So this is this is the manual. So it's like I will try to follow some step within the manual to know what they are for. Yeah, while waiting on you guys to really educate me, because I have no idea about using this particular camera. Let me see something. Let me see something. Okay. Okay. So this one go like this. Okay, I've captured that already. Guys, I really need help because I don't know what this material they are for. This is my first time, to be very honest. So I need your help. Okay, this is a mini trapper. This is a mini trapper. Okay. Now that small little bear is I don't know. Okay. No idea. So everything's strange. No idea at all. Okay, I believe this is charger. See, I'm seeing a lot of different items here. A lot of different items. I don't even know they are used. So it's like you can put this one like this, right? I want to believe that you can put that one, get like that. Okay. I'm confused. I'm very strange to this camera.